hands out, so we're coming off the wrist for a second here, and melt your heart down. So we're stretching through the feet, opening through the chest, starting to open up through the shoulders, and maybe the forehead comes all the way down to the mat, and if not, that's okay. Breathe. So for me, the practice of surrender is also what cultivates a happy, healthy body. So sometimes we get really stuck on it being like about cardio and fitness and toning and building strength, and we need to remember it's also very powerful. Just breaths here, stretch through the neck, press into the tops of the feet. Start to deepen your breath. Connect to the life force. Feel the belly stretch. And then on your next exhale, claw through the fingertips and let that be what really lifts your heart space up, 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 up for cat pose. Couple breaths here, soft, easy movement if you like. Chin to chest, breathe. And then on your next inhale, back to tabletop position. Curl the toes under and send the hips back towards the heels. Walk